The Great Attractor, the mysterious force pulling our galaxy. Imagine this. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, is not just drifting through space, but being pulled towards something massive, something unseen, something completely mysterious. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly so powerful that it influences the movement of entire galactic clusters. But what is it? Why is it pulling us? And most importantly, where are we going? Let's unravel one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time, the Great Attractor, the invisible force shaping our universe. What is the Great Attractor? When astronomers first mapped the movement of galaxies in the 1970s and 80s, they noticed something strange. Our galaxy and many others were moving toward a specific point in space at nearly 600 kilometers per second. That's over 1,000,000 miles per hour. But the weird part? This force didn't seem to match any known celestial object. This strange gravitational pull became known as the Great Attractor, but for decades it remained a mystery. Why? Because it lies in a part of the sky called the Zone of Avoidance. This is the region of space blocked by the dense dust and stars of the Milky Way, making it incredibly difficult for telescopes to see what's on the other side. Where is the Great Attractor? The Great Attractor is located about 250 million light-years away in the direction of the Centaurus and Norma clusters, deep in the Laniakea Supercluster, the vast cosmic region where our Milky Way resides. It's important to note that our galaxy isn't being pulled toward the Great Attractor alone. Tens of thousands of galaxies are also moving in the same direction. The entire Virgo Supercluster, including the Milky Way, Andromeda, and thousands of other galaxies, are heading toward this mysterious region of space. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The Great Attractor itself might not be the final destination. What could be pulling us? For years, astronomers thought the Great Attractor was a single, incredibly massive object, maybe a supercluster of galaxies with unimaginable gravity. However, more recent studies suggest that the Great Attractor is just a gravitational focal point within an even larger cosmic structure. The Shapley Supercluster, the largest known concentration of galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. The Shapley Supercluster is a behemoth containing over 8,000 galaxies and 10 million billion times the mass of the Sun. It's the single most massive structure within 1 billion light-years of us, and it could be the true force pulling us through space. Could the Great Attractor be a black hole? One wild theory suggests that the Great Attractor could be a supermassive black hole, or even something more exotic, like a collection of primordial black holes formed at the beginning of the universe. While this idea is speculative, we do know that black holes can bend space-time and create gravitational wells that pull in matter over cosmic distances. However, given the vast number of galaxies in the region, it's more likely that the gravitational pull comes from a massive concentration of galaxies rather than a single black hole. Is the Great Attractor dangerous? If we're being pulled toward the Great Attractor, should we be worried? Will the Milky Way eventually be consumed by this mysterious force? The short answer, not anytime soon. While it's true that our galaxy is moving toward the Great Attractor, this motion is happening on timescales of hundreds of millions of years. Even before we get there, our own galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda, set to merge in about 4.5 billion years. And on even longer timescales, the expansion of the universe is also stretching space, potentially changing our cosmic trajectory altogether. So while the Great Attractor is an incredible cosmic force, it's not an immediate threat to Earth or our galaxy. What lies beyond the Great Attractor? As powerful as the Great Attractor is, it's not the end of the road. It turns out that our entire supercluster, Laniakea, is being pulled towards something even bigger. the dipole repeller and the Sloan Great Wall, two of the largest known structures in the universe. This means that the Great Attractor is just one piece of a much larger cosmic puzzle, part of a vast network of galaxies, all moving in a gravitational dance that we're only beginning to understand. The cosmic mystery continues. The Great Attractor remains one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy. What lies beyond it? Where is our galaxy truly headed? These are questions scientists are still trying to answer. One thing is certain: the universe is far more interconnected than we ever imagined. The forces pulling and shaping galaxies extend across unimaginable distances, and we are just one small part of this grand cosmic motion. So, as we continue our journey through the cosmos, one thing remains clear. The universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. What do you think lies at the heart of the Great Attractor? A massive galaxy cluster? A black hole? Or something beyond our understanding? Let us know in the comments.